welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar bags the prestigious Politician of the Year award by CNN-IBN. Parrikar beats Prithviraj Chawan, Jairam Ramesh, Ajay Makan and Akhilesh yadav. Speculation turned futile for Mickey on his birthday. Parrikar wishes Mickey without any special gift. Mickey says no expectations, just speculations. Churchill declares to contest South Goa Lok Sabha seat with Congress ticket, challenges Sardinia on Daboli airport issue. Health Department arranges unsegregated biomedical treatment plant from France. Government to start free cardiac and cancer screening at school level. And 37th State Athletic Championship kicks off at Khandota. 3-day meet offers great platform for budding talents to shine. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has bagged CNN-IBN's Politician of the Year award. The award was presented to CM at a special ceremony in New Delhi on Wednesday night. Parrikar has been selected for being the architect of BJP's win in Goa. His creativity, economic sense, administrative capability and mass acceptance as a state leader across religious communities. He has been beaten Akhilesh Yadav, Prithviraj Chawan, Ajay Makan, Jairam Ramesh and SS Badal.
Indian of the Year 2012 politics is the Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, the man from IIT who has changed the face of Goa's politics.
Ladies and gentlemen, CNN-IBN Politician of the Year, the Chief Minister of Goa, Manohar Parrikar.
Mr. Parrikar, you are the Chief Minister of a state, but 2 years ago, you were being thought of as a national leader, as the leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Do you see that for yourself in the future, the president of the BJP?
I'm happy where I am.
Be frank. Come on. I mean, a president of the BJP, you wouldn't like to give that a shot?
I have been elected by 15 lakh Goans. Not an easy task, because Goa is 34% minority. I have got more number of MLAs from minority than the opposition. I think they have put their trust. Let me finish the job, then I'll see about the national.
How are you going to control the mining mafia? In Singham, it was easy in a film. Life is not Singham.
We have already stopped mining.
That the court has stopped it.
No, I stopped it 1 month before Supreme Court decided on it.
But be honest, sir, what is going to be your biggest challenge in a state like Goa? Because, it's winning an election was one thing, trying to get some order in Goa is another. How are you going to do it?
It's a small and educated state, well informed, watching all TV channels, reading 17, 18 newspapers. I think keeping your credentials and your integrity alive, getting them to the task is the biggest challenge, and I'm very sure of achieving that.
Awards recognize those Indians whose contribution to the country in the calendar year 2012 strengthened the foundation of the Indian society. Nominees for the award: Goan CM Manohar Parrikar, Union Sports Minister Ajay Makan, Uttar Pradesh CM Akhilesh Yadav, Rural Development Minister Jairam Ramesh, Maharashtra CM Prithviraj Chawan, Punjab CM Sukhbir Singh Badal.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar bags the CNN-IBN
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Birthday boy Miki Pacheco has expressed that he never expected any kind of special birthday gift from Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, who personally visited Pacheco at his residence. There was speculation that CM would declare a big post for Miki Pacheco on his birthday. Verdict for Miki in the electricity engineer assault case is expected on Thursday, the 13th December.
It's 12 December 2012. 12-12-12, a date which comes once in a century. Nouvelle legislator Miki Pacheco is celebrating his birthday on this day. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar along with Milind Naik, Ganesh Gaonkar, Ramesh Tavadkar and others greeted the birthday boy at his residence in Betarbati. After a brief chat with CM, media asked Miki Pacheco whether he has been gifted a special present by Parrikar. This was Pacheco's reply.
Various speculations regarding the CM's visit, and it was expected that he will be giving some gift for you on his birthday.
See, I did not expect anything. It was expectation from you people, not from me. What makes difference to me? Nothing, no. My birthday today, I have to celebrate. As usually I celebrate, right? But this year a little different because 12-12-12.
Meanwhile, additional Sessions Court's verdict on junior engineer's assault case is scheduled on 13 December. The verdict would decide the political career of GVP Supremo Miki Pacheco. Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Congress heavyweight from Salsette Churchill is in Lok Sabha race. He has declared that he will be contesting the forthcoming Lok Sabha poll and will claim the Congress ticket. Alemao is confident that sitting MP Francisco Sardinia will not get the party ticket. He also rubbished Sardinia's claim that state would be having 2 airports. Churchill has challenged Sardinia to provide documents supporting his claims on Dabuli Airport.
चर्चिला तो अबराम रहे चर्चिल जन्ना आज पासून काँग्रेसी हाँ सदां काँग्रेस राहिला पण काँग्रेसी नाक तेदना काँग्रेसी बाय जालो काँग्रेसी नाक म्हण ना बाय जालो काँग्रेसी जाय मला काँग्रेसी हांव
त्याची तो बसपा इंटरेस्ट आहा
बेका एमपी को बसतो ना जाऊ मास तर पार्टी दिते ते क्वेश्चन काढले पार्टी काँग्रेस काँग्रेस झाले आपण सिटिंग एमपी आपला ती पहिली गेडा समाजचे आपण पार्टी गेडा पाहणार.
Churchill says Civil Aviation Ministry is the final authority to decide on the Daboli and Mopa airport issues and not MP Sardina.
Civil Aviation Ministry to letter dipa shekna ki odoni airport lem. Je पर्यंत Civil Aviation Ministry to letter dina त्या पर्यंत कोणाच्यानो सांगपा जाना odoni airport lem. साधीना तुका सांगलो साधीना चालते उलोवप त्या उलोवपाचे मिनिंग आसता तेगेले बेंगलोर कोणा बेंगलोर सांगतले तुका एनीबडी विल टेल यू दोनी एअरपोर्ट चालू आसतो म्हणले
चर्चिल बाबा सार्दिनान सांगितला सिव्हिल एव्हिएशन मिनिस्ट्रीन बरोवन दिलो हा म्हणून 2 एअरपोर्ट गोंयांत जावपाक जाताय
आता म्हाका दाखय मरे
सार्दिना स्पेसिफिकली ना
पतीस त्या तोंडान उलयत तें बबली जाना म्हाका दाखय मरे म्हाका वेळ दी मरे तूं.
Pratik Parab for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.